for loop, the main loop in the Python, which has to be learned by you through this video. Before that, click the red color button and press like button. Please continue this. Okay guys, welcome to Godzilla Bytes YouTube channel. Now today I am going to teach you about the for loop in this video. That I already wrote this code in this video. That here for I in subscribe, which means for loop. Here I am using the for loop. For is the keyword for the starting keyword, and I is the iterating name. Say iterating name. In was where we want to loop, when we, how many times, that was inside this. Here I am giving the string with the double quotes. Inside the double quotes I am giving the string subscribe and print that iteration value, so it will give the output. Press F5 to get the output, that is subscribe single words. Okay, this will loop again. First yes, then U, then B, then S, then C, then R, then I, then B, then E. This like it will loop single letters one by one again and again. It will come first I equal to 0. So 0th index, it is 0th index, first index, second index, like this. 0th index will print first, like that, where 0th index will print first, then it print first index, then it print second index, like that. Okay, then it is a next example that for I in range of how many times it will, how many times, like this, but here it will print the numbers in between them. From 1 to 10 it will print 1 comma n minus 1. This is a 10 we taken as n. 10 minus 1 but 9. It will print from 1 to 9. So we can see through the output. Press F5. Okay. Oh, it will print 1 2 3 again. First 0 in the ith value 0, then it will print 0, then 1, then it will print 1, then like that. But here I am starting 1, so it will print the first number, second number, third number, like that. Then the third example was like some funny words like a fruit name, like that. Okay, for I in range 5, here it will repeat again and again in 5 times. 0 1 2 3 4, it is a 5 times. It will read input n equal to input of. Here I am giving a only input of to read the string values for the input. Then it will print the first I, means here that I equal to 0, 0th fruit n. Here we want fruit, the fruit name are given, that will come on the output section. Okay, press F5. It will asking the name of the fruit, so I am giving the apple, so it will print 0th fruit apple. Second, it was asking me the second input, because I am giving the loop for 4 times. That was first time, 0th fruit was first time, second time, like that. Okay, then orange, my favorite color, but it was a fruit name. First fruit, then it was again next strawberry. Next fruit was strawberry, so I am giving a star. Okay, second fruit. Then it was asking rat. It was not a fruit name, but I am giving that. Okay, like that you are giving that. Then asking the name, third fruit, fourth fruit. It's asking the fourth fruit. Fourth fruit name was guava. Okay, fourth fruit. The loop stops here. Okay, first loop 0, second loop 1 2 3 4, then it prints the name of the fruits, like that. This was the for loop. If you have any doubts in this for loop, please ask through the comment. Then if you like this video, please like the video, then share to your techie friends and subscribe it by clicking the red color button. So see you tomorrow.